Hello ladies and gentlemen, Trafalgar Access have one of the largest ranges of both fire, acoustic and non-rated access panels, from our revolutionary Fire Shield range to our high security SAP to our Acoustic RW series, all the way down to our non-rated metal APM and MDF APC series. As the old saying goes, if you build it, they will come and put a hole in it. So Trafalgar Access have designed and developed access panels to suit your project's needs. With production at our factory in Granville, Sydney, you can trust Trafalgar Access for Australian-made quality and short lead times on non-standard sizes. We are always happy to work with our customers on any custom requirements to meet their fire, security or architectural specifications. Today we're here to talk about the features and installation requirements of our all-metal Rw34M range. Also available in stainless steel with a wet wall set bead. However, the panels are not available with touch latches to ensure a sound acoustic seal. Coming pre-primed in white, the Rw34M range are suitable for all typical access requirements and extremely flexible to suit opening sizes, shapes or clearance requirements. Today we're working with our low profile, flanged edge, square key lockable Rw34M panel. The larger frames do require the full profile frame to ensure they have the right strength for their size. Step 1 of installing Trafalgar Access panels is very simple. Confirm the opening size. If your opening is 300 by 300 millimeters, we will manufacture the frame at 295 millimeters to ensure good fitment. Step 2, simply open the access panel, bend over the pre-installed fixing tabs and insert into the opening. Step 3, fix the frame in place. Step 4, simply close and lock the access panel and you're ready for finishing and painting. With all the variants in our access panel range, it's hard to capture everything in a single video. So have a look at our taccess.com.au website or contact our friendly sales team to ensure that we can specify the right panel for your project. The Trafalgar Access product range is extensive and always growing. Some of our other products include our APM range, our custom wood APC range, our acoustic ranges, the unique and patented Fire Shield, the patented Fire Up access panels, our high security access panels, and many more. You can always trust Trafalgar for your access needs. Thank you.